steal one. He was caught in his first attempt. Hao-Yu Lee at the plate. Went 0 for 4 with a strikeout. Slow start for Lee, batting 171. And the 1-0 to him is going to be a bit low. 2-0 pitch on its way, and it's a bit high.
Matt mound, and maybe what affects the cleats for Cade Horton as the game continues on. You got to be picking that dirt out of your cleats inning by inning.
Yeah, that could go both ways for sure. Kader Montero had no trouble in the top of the first, but Horton misses again, and it's ball 4 to Hao-Yu.
The times when you're going to use it, just how aggressive you can be with it, it's got to be
early. But you know, teams are trying to hoard him for later in the game. Throw down to first after the swing and miss, and back safely with a head first slide is
challenge to again look for it on the board with the ABS.
Fly ball hit down the right field line. That's going to get into the seats. And as the pitch is up and in there, 1-1 the count, or excuse me, 1-2 the count on Hao-Yu Lee. And there was a pitch that called Miguel Vargas for the White Sox got called out on a pitch, and I'm looking aboard on a walk. Grounder up the middle, and they'll flip to the bag one. Relay to first in time. It goes 6-4-3, and that's an inning ending.
Pops one up. This one's going to stay on the infield as it drifts towards the third base line. Catch is made by Hao-Yu Lee. That is 11 up, 11 down so far for Kader Montero. Anything that's been high in the air tonight has really not carried with the conditions we have here tonight.
Absolutely. I'll tell you what, this could be a big inning right here. If you can tack on another run.
In the air, down the right field line. Will it stay fair? No. Jones at first. Well outside for ball 2. 2-1 up the middle, could be 2. Flip to second, over to 1, and a 6-4-3 double play. Second time Hao-Yu Lee.
Or Hao-Yu Lee.
Just looking for some sort of insurance run here in the next inning or two for the Mud Hens.
Pitch in tight, backs Lee up. And the pitch again in tight. This inning, both on strikeouts. Actually gives him 3 in the ball game since coming on in the 6th. And the pitch from Hughes, swing and a miss. Fastball there, he kind of buried that one. Bottom part of the zone, Lee couldn't find it. And the next pitch, Lee will drive that one. Hughes, who kicks, delivers, pitch outside. He tried to get him to chip. As the 3-2, lifted in the air, foul and out of play. It's on the way, and again, driven high in the air, and that's going to go foul and out of play. Yeah, it certainly would. 3-2 pitch, swinging a foul back to the screen. Coming up. After Lee's fouled off a couple, he'll drive this one in the air to right field. Backing up, turned around for his last time up. And he'll put the bunt down, third base line, racing up is Lee. He's got it, throw over. And Madris unable to snare it and throw in the dirt. They're going to give that a base hit for Reese McGuire. So the catcher gets an infield single. Well, you had Lee played back. Look at how far back Lee is. He's almost at the shortstop's position. So McGuire said, hey, I'm just going to go ahead and take this. You're going to give me that opportunity. You're going to have to make a great play to get me. And I think he would have got him if it was able to be a run. Manning delivers, drive high in the air, playable for Lee. Foul territory and right along the line. And to lean back a bit to his left to make the grab, but he does. That's a big out. Having to hold is Brujan. Long will come to the plate. It's 0-4-3.
Even that wasn't the easiest of outs. Nope. The way